Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we shall study class 11th, subject English, textbook, Hornbill, lesson 10, childhood, poem, part 2. Dear children, in part 1, we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we shall do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, word meaning. Children, in this question, we shall learn word meaning. Childhood, bachpan, love, prem, mind, buddhi, मन, really, वास्तव में, thought, विचार. Question number 2, write T for true and F for false. Children, in this question, you will write T for correct sentence or F for wrong sentence. The loss of childhood is involved in the process of growing up is true. So, we shall write T in the bracket. Question number 3, tick the correct alternative. Children, in this question, you will choose correct option. The dash talked of love and advised to love, but they never acted lovingly. Correct answer is adults. So, we shall write A in the bracket. Question number 4, answer the following question. How did the realization of being the master of his own mind helped him? Answer, the realization of being the master of his own mind made him self-confident. Now, he could think independently, forming his own opinions and being able to take his own decisions. So, children, now we have done question answers of this lesson. Now, homework time. Homework, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Children, in this question, you have to write missing letters in these blanks. For example, CHILDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHYDHLIDDHY CHOOD. Childhood means bachpan. In the same way, you will fill all these blanks yourself. Question number 2. Tick the correct alternative. Dash is an essential stage in the process of growing up. Write the answer yourself in the bracket. Question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. Hell or heaven could not be found in geography books or atlas. Write the answer yourself. Question number 4. Answer the following question. What are the poet's feeling towards childhood? Write the answer yourself. So students, this chapter is now complete. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.